This is a review of the MUSICOZY Mulberry Silk Bluetooth Sleep Mask that comes with the HD stereo sound. It is a wireless sleep headband headphones for your side sleepers as well too. And this sleep mask is something that would definitely come in hand for those people that are trying to block light while they're sleeping and you want to keep yourself comfortable. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to be doing a unboxing review on this, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside, and from there we are going to test this product out. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside. It comes with the instruction manual guide to learn more information about it. It comes with a USB to charge it up as well too. It also comes with some earplugs as well too to keep yourself even more relaxed. Right over here is a storage bag when you want to put it back inside whenever you're not using it. Right over here is the sleep mask itself, and I do want to say that the quality of this is really amazing. Extremely high quality. It's super soft and comfortable. As you guys know, the mulberry silk really, it comes into play. It's really extremely soft when you put it around your face. And what we're going to do now is that I'm going to wear this on and show you guys how it is when you wear it on. Okay, so this right over here, we are going to put this to a test on, and without going further, we are going to wear this on. So it's like the Velcro straps that are located right over here. So you just take it off just like that. And I love the fact that the mulberry silk is extremely soft as well too, and really high quality. It feels very soft as I wear it on. And as you guys know, this does come with a Bluetooth speaker as well too. And you can listen to music as well and keep yourself relaxed. Right over here, you can see it before I wear this on. It also comes with the, to put it on your ear as well too. So that way, if you're trying to relax, you can put your ears on. That way you don't hear any background noise and stuff. So I have this stuff on as well too, the earplugs. And we're going to wear this on just like that. And put the straps just like that. And I love the fact that it's extremely, it keeps the lights out. If there's, if you're sleeping in a room that's so much light, it keeps everything dark in place. Extremely soft as well too. And you can see you have the nostrils right here over here where you can still breathe as well. So there's plenty of room over here, and it keeps yourself very relaxed and calm. You can also, like I told you guys, go on the Bluetooth app of your phone, listen to some music, and keep yourself relaxed as well too. And this product right over here, it comes in hand very well. Especially as you guys know, if you are going, traveling, some flights, you guys know there's a lot of noise and stuff, and it's very hard to sleep in an airplane. But this product right over here would definitely come into play into that type of situation. Or if you're like in a hotel, you're trying to sleep and there's noise, it keeps yourself calm and relaxed. Or if you're just, at home, you could also use this as well too. If you're trying to block light as well, you're sleeping in a room, there's so much light. It definitely comes into play when it comes to that. I love the fact that it comes with the earplugs as well too, so you don't hear anything. Now I took them off, I hear everything, very well and clear now. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it keeps you very relaxed. You could, sleep, it keeps yourself, very calm. And the mulberry silk that comes with the material wise is really soft and high quality. It feels very nice when you're just wearing it on. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the mulberry silk Bluetooth sleeping mask if you are looking for a sleeping mask to keep yourself relaxed and calm. And it also comes with the Bluetooth speakers, which is also really cool as well too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you are looking to keep yourself calm and relaxed. This right over here is by far one of the best sleeping masks that you could get.